Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity and these are some of the biggest hiring from various company like Infosys, Birlasoft, Zoho, and other important hiring. So if you're the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity that is from the edgeverse, and this is a Infosys company. Finally, they are hiring for the role of system engineer and VEV. And I suggest everyone must apply for this wonderful profile. The location for this is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. And this is a good hiring. If you want, you can apply for that. Strong chance of getting reward from this company. Moving to next, that is from the Birlasoft. They are hiring for the role of apprentice intern, non-engineering graduate 2026 pass out batch, and today is last day to apply. So if you haven't applied, you can apply for this. Job location for this is Pune, Hyderabad, and Noida. And who are eligible? If you are from the BSc, ITCS, Maths, or BCA with programming language mastery, then you can apply for this. If you are familiar with data handling and processing tool like NumPy, Panda, or Spark, or basic exposure to AML concept, then you can apply and you are good to go for this important role. Moving to next, that is from the Zoho. They are hiring for the role of technical support engineer, and this is the job description. You will be providing wise-based support to international and domestic customer, build a rapport with customer with clear and confident informations. So this is a non-tech profile, and if you want to work with this wonderful profile, means wonderful company, then you can apply for this role. And the job location for this is Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, and Madurai. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Sutherland. They are hiring for the role of junior service now developer, and this is demo. This is for the location Hyderabad, and date published 23rd of July. So still they are hiring for this role, and this will be your roles and responsibility like system maintenance, module support, platform development, testing, and debugging. So who are eligible for this? You should be having from means you should be from bachelor degree in computer science, IT, or related fields, and strong proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you have some certification, then this will be added advantage. Moving to next, and this is from a company Propel. So they are actually hiring for 2025 as well as 2026 pass out, and the job role is software developer, and this is a full-time role. So this is also a good hiring. So they are hiring for the same position but for the different pass out batch like 2025 pass out. So I will provide both the apply link in the description. You can directly apply from there. So what are the requirement and expectation from them? First, work experience is freshers. They've clearly mentioned this is for the freshers type, and there will be a multiple round of selection process like aptitude test, programming test, final offline interview in Chennai office, and the employment begin within 6 months of mandatory training period. So you need to go with the training. Now requirement is vast, that is you should be having basic knowledge of database, data structure, algorithm, and OOPS concept, and you should be proficient in any of the programming language like C, C++, Java. So this is wonderful profile. Especially I would say 2025 must apply in 2026 if you want. Means if you have no any other opportunity, then you can apply for this role. Moving to next important position, and they are basically open. They have open position for the full stack developer trainee, required skill Java, Spring Boot, React JS, and for Salesforce developer trainee, required skill is SQL, or if you have done some internship in Salesforce domain, then you can apply for this role. Experience 6 to 9 months, they are eligible for this role. 2025-26 pass out preferred. If you have some earlier internship experience, then you are eligible for this. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Move करते हैं next, and this is also great hiring for especially for the Noida location, sector 144. Noida model is hybrid, duration 2 month internship and stipend back. The company is to the new, and this is a good company. So if you want, you can apply for this role. About the roles and responsibility, this is a talent acquisition. So you will be assisting the talent acquisition or HR in corresponding work, and you need to basically leverage the market intelligence and industry trend, and basically you have to onboard the candidates. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. Moving to last important thing, that is from the State Street. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, technical implementation apprentice, and this is also a full-time role. Last date to apply is 30th of July, and freshers are eligible for this. If you have done some internship, then that is means they are considering that, and you should be having strong interest in software development and financial technology. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. These are the requirement like Java programming, Core Java, or CS programming, and database and SQL knowledge is required like relational database concept, SQL queries, select, insert, join, and subqueries. And if you need any notes of these particular topic, then you can join our WhatsApp Telegram group. There I am sending these all notes free of cost. होप इन्होंने टू कोई भी क्वेरी है, फील फ्री टू आस्क, कमेंट यार, आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स में. थैंक यू.